A Maryland News special presentation. Twenty questions.
Creative, smart, intelligent.
It's nice to stand out and show the world that this is who I am. I'm my own person. I'm me. I'm a Marylander. I am the change maker. Under the most ordinary stone is an undisturbed garden. Let's explore a child's world. 20 questions.
Under the most ordinary stone is an undisturbed garden. Let's explore our child's world. Boy oh boy, so you're ready for the show. 20 questions, aren't you? What is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is aloo ke parathe. I like so much, but if there is so much aloo, then I like with sauce I am eating every morning. And with dahi also I am eating.
What is your favorite thing to do at grandma's house?
My favorite thing to do at my grandma's house is horror story or two. I am saying, Grandma, I want to listen to 2-3 horror stories, and my grandma is one telling me horror stories then, and so much scary.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter because in morning school is also late, then I am coming late school time, then it is late, then night sleep nicely and there inside go in blanket then sleep. That is so enjoyable for me. Sometimes I take my storybook and with that take a torch also, then look there and read so much in night, but when lights all are off, then it is so enjoyable inside reading a story.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon character is Shin Chan because he is talking with mother like that I so much like, and when he wants anything his mother is saying no you cannot take this, and then he is making his eye like he will cry, like tears bringing in his eyes, and mother is what he wants, that mother is giving to him, buying him. And he like action come in also in his watch, action come in is only there. And I can talk also in his voice, like I like morning breakfast is my aloo ke parathe I like, then I will speak. Shin Chan, I'm Shin Chan, I like aloo ke parathe. This way I am speaking.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Hindi and maths, but math is more, but Hindi also. I like their story reading.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is it is difficult for me to speak one. One is gari ke laddu and one is besan ke laddu. I like so much.
If you could eat as much dessert as you wanted every day, but also had to go to the dentist every day, would you do it?
No, I cannot do it. How much dessert I will eat? If I will eat and then every day to dentist go, it will. But if I will eat that much dessert and every day go, then I will eat more dessert and how I can eat more things.
If you were a superhero, what would be your superpower and your weakness?
If I was a superhero, my power would be like becoming invisible and crossing the walls. But my weak point was, when I am crossing the walls, then I was invisible. Then anybody will do like this way tickle to me, then I will be visible and so much tickling.
Do you have any special hobbies you do after school?
After school I'm going home, then I'm taking my kite and thread, then I'm going on terrace, then I'm flying, and I am so much higher flying and cutting also some kites. My mother also saying, maybe my father at home, that like Sunday everybody is clapping, then I am also feeling so happy.
If you had a time machine, where would you go?
If I had a time machine, I would go many years back there in dinosaur world, and then I will click the photo, and then I will again come back today, and then today's time what is, then I will again come back, then I will show everybody photo and I will also look.
If the sky could rain food, what food would you like for it to rain down?
If from sky food will fall, then I like to eat momos that I like so much, and it will fall down, then I will not pick up. Catch and then eat, that is enjoyable, but fall down then pick up, that is dirty also. But catch, one, two, catch, one time, one catch, then again catch, then eat.
When you are angry, how do you deal with those feelings?
When I am angry, I say to my feelings that you are so bad, I don't like you.
20 questions.
Creative, smart, intelligent. If you could meet someone from the past, who would it be?
I would like to meet my grandfather's father, because he was army and he was a good man.
The Indian Army. Live a life less ordinary.
I'm a doctor, but my stethoscope comes with a parachute. I'll do anything to save a life. Jumping helicopters, climbing mountains, dangling midair. Anything. Do I get scared? Not easily. But my biggest fear is not getting there in time. Flying through the sky, protecting the ones who protect you. Guess that makes me a superhero. Just saying.
We are India's most exciting workplace, and we are making you an offer. The Indian Army. Live a life less ordinary.
He now passed away. He just now in Holi passed away, but he passed away. I was so sad in Holi. I gone there, then I was so sad. I was not looking there. I gone inside. I was so sad there. I was little bit crying also. And my father was also crying. My father also liked him so much.
What would you talk to your great-grandfather about?
I would ask him that in the army he was fighting and how he was living, which guns he used.
What do you think is the meaning of life?
God is giving us life, what we want to do, we can do in this life, like eating, playing, going some places. What we want to do, that we can do in this life.
What's the best advice you've ever got?
The best advice I have ever heard, that is from my neighbor. One time she was asking, then I was small, she was asking, your weak point is what? Then I told her that my weak point is tickling. Good doing. Then she came up, I was on terrace. She came up and so much good done. And then she told me this also, that don't tell your weak point to everyone. That, thank you Didi, now I will not tell my weak point to anyone.
Tell me about what kind of person you want to marry.
That I have not decided just now, that when I will big, then my mother, father will decide. I will not decide just now.
Do you think it's easier to love or to hate?
It's easier to love, because if you will hate, then you will feel sad that I hate him. You will be jealous to him, what he is doing. You will not feel nice. And if you will love, then you will feel nice. I believe love is the answer.
If you found a genie in a bottle, what would be your 3 wishes?
My first wish would be that make a letters for me and I can go to moon, then I can look there how it is looking from near. And second wish would be that whole chocolates and candies store come in my home, and then I can eat so much inside. And third and last, that he give me wings that I can fly and look how world is look.
Do you ever have nightmares? Can you tell us about one?
Yes, I had a nightmare recently that I saw in night that any ghost is there and I am standing there. From back it is coming, then I am looking back, then it again invisible. Then I thought it is my, that Hindi they are saying Vahem. Then I thought it is my Vahem. Then I was doing again anything, then it was coming back. Then I heard that anybody coming back, then I again, anybody was not there. Then in front, then he was coming closer. Then and then I seen back, it was there. It was like this way. And then I got up and then I was so, it was, AC was on, but I was so much sweat, so much hot feeling I was. And like this way got up in a, like this way. And then what, then again.
Emerald.